So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change language of your Windows 11. Basically in this case, if you have bought one Windows and the language is different than your language, you don't know what to do in this case, you have to reinstall all the Windows again. In most of the cases, Windows 11 comes with different language option. So we have to go to here, the Windows button, click this one in this case, and here you will see setting option. Go inside the setting. In setting, you'll see all this option here. You have to go down here. It's a time and language. Click this one. In time and language, you'll see region and language. Click this one. Here, you'll see different language available. Also, you can add a language. So here I have English United Kingdom, English Europe, and Spanish version. So if you want to add French, German, you can click here. You can decide any language from this place you can add. So in this case, I'm gonna put some foreign language. For example, French. So I click this one, I hit next button. See all this thing, it will download, I hit install. So it will take time, it will install all the process you see. Basic typing and all the things is downloading in your computer, okay? And after downloading that language, here you see my principal language, Windows display language is English. You click there. From this option, after downloading, you can decide. For example, I hit Spanish. You have to sign out to be activated in this case. So I will hit here sign out to active this option. Hit this one. So the computer is signing out. So after signing out, we come to this screen. I click here, start the computer button. You see recomendación, anclado, todos, everything look in Spanish, or if you put French, you would see French here. Let me click folder option on my computer. You see este equipo, disco locales, so everything is written in Spanish or the language you decide. So very easy, simple tutorial to change the language without installing a new Windows, guys. So this is very lovely. You can do this in Windows 11, also Windows 10, mostly multilingual window. You can do that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.